While the United States was embroiled in a civil war that threatened to drive the country into financial collapse due to the waning supply of gold and silver coin money, Congress passed the Legal Tender Act of 1862 to make paper money an official legal tender. In Knox v. Lee, the Supreme Court considered whether Congress had the power to pass that act. The Legal Tender Act made U.S. paper notes, commonly known as greenbacks, an official legal tender for both public and private debts, including debts already incurred. Thereafter, two cases called the act into question. In the first case, the Confederate government had confiscated a flock of sheep from Mrs. Lee and sold it to Mister Knox. Thereafter, Lee sued Knox for conversion. A jury found in Lee's favor and awarded her damages, which the court stated could be paid in greenbacks. Knox appealed, claiming that the court's statement essentially permitted the jury to overestimate the damages by accounting for the difference in value between coin currency and greenbacks. In the second case, prior to the act, Mr. Parker had contracted to convey land to Mr. Davis for an agreed-upon price. After Congress passed the act, Davis attempted to pay Parker using greenbacks, but Parker refused to execute the deed, claiming he was entitled to be paid in coin currency. Davis filed an equitable action against Parker, seeking specific performance. The court ordered Parker to execute the deed, and Parker appealed. The United States Supreme Court granted cert, consolidating both cases to determine the common underlying issue.